Okay. Some minute, please. Some minute, please. I'm trying to get the link to. I'm trying to get the link to the live so I can put it on my Twitter. I didn't do it the last time, and that was a big error for me. I'm trying to. So, please permit me. Okay. Few minutes more. Where's my Telegram? Few minutes more. Few minutes. Just few seconds. I'll be done. Okay. Few seconds more. Few seconds. I'm trying to copy the link, like I said, and post it on my Twitter. So hopefully we get more people on here. Let's see. Once it's done, we'll start immediately. Let me see. Let's see. My network is kind of slow. Okay, I think it's done. Okay. So let's just get straight into it. Let me close some tabs. So currently, what am I looking at? Today is Monday, the first week. We don't have any high impact news or medium impact news today. So I only toggle this US dollar since I'm only trading US oil. And I'm using New York time. So we don't have any news today. So it doesn't mean maybe we can have volatility. But tomorrow we have CPI 830. I can never get involved. I've learned a lot of lessons from that. Okay, let me drop my phone. Yeah, I'm trying to include my picture right now. Okay, so everyone should be able to see me now. So, yeah, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for coming once again. I really appreciate your time. It really means a lot to me. So, this is really enough maintenance. What is wrong? Sorry, I don't know what you used to be saying. I don't know. Probably I don't want to do something that won't be cool. I don't know. So let's just continue. Please just let me know if you can hear me clearly. Let's just continue. I don't know, understand. I don't really know how to use this thing that much. So like I said, we don't have much. We don't have any news today, but we have CPI tomorrow. And I also checked this energy from forex.com. So we have CPI tomorrow, and we have another news by 4:30 p.m., which I won't be involving myself there. So basically, I'll be ending my trading for this year this week. So I only do one trade because I had some drawdown I was dealing with last month, and I'll be able to recover most of it. I only have few left. That's on my real account, but on my demo account I actually recycle it every month. I start over all over. it every month. You understand? So let's just get straight into it. So probably I'll be looking for it. There's a setup I'm looking at right now, which I will show you. Hopefully, it's panned out the way I want it to be. If not, we'll move to the next one. So I don't think if I can find a trade during London tomorrow, yes, good and fine. But anything New York, I'm not going to involve myself except after CPI if there's any setup. But I'm not standing in front of them. Never. We have opportunities more on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we still have a lot of opportunities ahead of us. There's no reason to be scared. So right now, let me start from 1 hour. Let me close this. Okay. So last week was bearish. Unfortunately for me, I was unable to uh, do weekend analysis for Saturday and Sunday. I had a lot going on, so I was unable to do it. So right now, what I'm looking at now, actually I would like to see price to actually come for this buy side liquidity. That's what I'm actually going to load. That is, I would like this week to be a little bit of taking out this relative equal highs, then probably consolidate for the rest of it. But let's just see how it is. Right now, I don't really have much clue about what's going on because we have been dropping for a very long time. So I need to see what price is trying to do. So mostly they can do that today, and tomorrow probably with CPI they will move into the right direction for us. But right now, this is what I'm looking at. That's not what I actually want to. I just want to, because I did a live stream on Thursday morning, which was I think, yes, London session, which I took a trade live with though, and so I'll be starting from New York on Thursday, and it will be very short because last time I was just talking. So I'll make sure it is very short this time around. A few minutes, okay. So I would like to see price taking out this buy side liquidity. That is price to come for this. You can see. That's what I'm going to love to see today. Like, let's see how. Now we already had a shift in market structure here though. On this side. So on the 3 minutes, I would love to see price come down here. Hopefully you are able to hear me because this YouTube is just telling me something is poor. I think the video delivery probably have to do more texting of how people actually do this thing. Because this is my second time doing it, and that shouldn't be an excuse at all. So I would like to see price retrace back into this fair value gap. You can see how they started, which is after taking this sell side liquidity inside this word imbalance, right? So that's what I was actually waiting for. I want to see them like make that move. So I'll be expecting majorly they should come down here and do the real move during New York section for them to take this high. That's what I'm actually expecting. But let's see how it goes. That's actually my expectation for. That's everything I want them to do today. If they take out this low, that means I'm not interested in anything else. We'll wait it tomorrow, London session and New York, and what they do overnight, because it will tell a lot of things like that. Please let me know, please, if you are hearing me, please. I would really appreciate if you can let me know in the comment section if you can hear me clearly. Just drop like, yes, I can hear you, because this YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth stream as much. Viewers will experience the story like that. Please just let me know in the comment section. You can just say, yes, I can hear you. Yes. I'm actually waiting. If there's someone that can actually let me just type, please let me know. Like in the comment section, just drop, yes, I can hear you, so I can continue. So it won't just be like a waste of time or waste of energy. I want to try to, as much as possible, to keep this within 20 minutes and I'm done. Before I continue, please. Anybody there? I really appreciate you guys for coming to watch me. God bless. I want to know if you can hear me. Like, what I'm doing is matching up with what is delivering on your side. I'm sorry for this is the second time I'm asking for it. The first time I didn't know why YouTube is talking about this, but after this video I will try to do more research about that. I think people probably it's showing that 2 people are watching, Oh, no one is actually typing to drop in the box. Anyways, let's continue. Okay. So let's continue. So that's my expectation for today, though. So I'm expecting them to come back into this fair value, and the major move should be during New York session. With that being said, let's go to Thursday. So Thursday, yes, I took a trade on Thursday. Yes, if I could remember, it was live here. So I took a trade here, taking out this short time lows. That is this necessary liquidity resting below this low, and immediately they reversed and did what during New York session on the daily. Thursday, this Thursday, right? They went into the what fair value gap on the daily. Let me draw it out. Into this fair value gap on the daily. So it was the old high, that is Wednesday high. Now I didn't take the trade. Why? Because there was a day. So this I think today probably you guys will learn about what they call trading trauma, because me, I used to experience it. There was a day I took it. That is this kind of setup, right? Because I have it a lot in my books. I took it and it went against me, and I felt so much because I was like, I've seen this thing over and over and over again. And once something triggers me the first time, it takes a lot of time for me to recover from it. So I actually know the reason why. So the last time I was like, I can't take this trade because I know what it did to me the last time, and my brain can actually come up with trade I've to, like take in the past and everything like that. So on Thursday we had actually had price run up, that is into the daily fair value gap, that is the old high, right? And let's go to 1 minute. So we had price after taking the fair value gap daily high. Price was what it came down here, took out this short time low, break market structure, and did what now. When during why the price, that is the candle we were actually painting, I was drawing out all these things, like, but I didn't want to involve myself, like, since I actually took a trade in the morning, so that didn't even give me like that move that is, yes, I must do it. Is either I do or probably die I fear. So I was not really interested in it like that. That even if I missed the move, it is fine for me. I really took one during London session, but I was drawing out this fair value gap as the price. I think I have a video of it. I was screen recording it. Probably I'll upload it after this video. So I was not really interested. Like, I was not feeling like maybe I was missing out on it, because I know there will still be another move the next day. So I was drawing out the way this price run up. So I was looking out for them to come and take out this low and take out the SSI liquidity resting below this low also. But I was not looking for them to come and take out the initial low of the day, that is London low. I was not looking out for them to come and take the low. I can't say I was surprised though, because I was expecting price to actually change the direction towards bullish institutional order flow West Thursday. So I was expecting them inside this fair value gap, right? That is for them to use this fair value gap and these other blocks for them to start using to change direction of the price, because we have been bearish for a very long time, for a very very long time, for a very very long time. So I was expecting them, okay, since it is Thursday and there's something nice it taught us about weekly profile and daily profile. So I was expecting something like that. It was just something I had at the back of my mind. It's not something I'm ready to execute on. Understand? So that was actually all for it. That is, where's this guy? Open, manipulation to the upside, and what? Then the deliver price to the lowest. I taken out the what? Yesterday's low. You can see the low. They actually, that's why I actually told you that there are sometimes during London session they don't take out the initial, that is old daily low. They don't take it out. So I've seen this thing multiple times. That is over and over again. So I actually know when. Okay, I can't say 100% know when it might not take out the low, but once I see them doing some things, I can feel it that, okay, yes, they won't take out this low. It is probably they're just trying to fill up this imbalance and take out the buy side liquidity before actually going for the low during the New York session. So majorly 80% of the time, the major move for the days. Bulk of it is usually during New York session, that is New York Q zone. So and that's why, because we have news during that time, like 8:30, sometimes 7:45 or so, 10 o'clock, 10:30, and so on and so forth. I'm trying to keep this video very short. I don't know if I took a trade on Friday. I can't really remember right now. Did I? Yes, I did. Okay. So on Friday, before we get into this, let me check what is going on to this chart. With the way it's consolidating, I don't actually like price moving like this. This consolidation, I don't like it. It's either you move into the fair value gap and do what you're supposed to do, then move up. But let's see how price deliver, sure. So on Friday, during London session, what happened on Friday during London session? Let's go to Friday. So on Friday, we had what, in the midnight, we had what, breaking market structure, retracement into what, very shorter block. Then price started moving down, breaking market structure again, fair value gap, it just went to it, and what, other block. Then what, they started selling. They didn't take out, you can see, if you notice, they didn't take out this low also. So there are some times that once you see what's doing on, you have to be very, very careful. Like, it is not advisable to keep on holding trades for a very, very long time doing on them, because it is usually the moves are mostly for what I call it, they are for manipulation. Yes, let me use that as an example. So immediately they took out this high, I was just sitting on my hand, I was just watching. Let me bring out this as execution. So I was just watching. So immediately they took out this high. Okay, I was like, okay, now since they took out this high, what are they trying to do? They retrace back into what favor this fair value gap. Let me draw it out. Okay, into this fair value gap. So immediately I see them drawing into this fair value gap. What's resting above this eye? What, buy side liquidity? What's resting above this eye? Buy side liquidity, and we have PPI. That was the only mistake I made. I made a mistake. So let's go to 3 minutes. My plan is just to take a trade this week, and I'm done. Once I find a trade this week, for the rest of the week I will just be sleeping. That's just my plan for the week. Because like I said, I have, I think, 0.2%, 0.2% drawdown. So let's just say 0.5% that I still have to cover up. So I'm trying to do that. If I can, fine. If I can't, but there's no setup for me to do that. So what was I looking at? I was looking at, this went into this fair value gap, other block. Let me see if this thing is still delivering. Other block. I don't even know if anyone is watching, but it's fine though. That's not. What's the thing above this eye? Master liquid. So that's what I was actually aiming for on Friday. Then immediately they took this side, so immediately I was waiting for them to retrace back. Immediately they retrace, there's nothing that is going to hold me back. I actually have a video on it which I will edit today and upload. So they were consolidating inside this fair value gap, you can see, and they took out this eye. Now what did I do? I was waiting for them to come back into this fair value. Let me bring out this one. What, breaking market structure? I can see how energetic it was. They took out this one for a small one, but I didn't want to take it. Then they took out. So immediately they retraced back. I set the limit order. I have a video on it, like I said, I will upload today. So immediately they drop into this fair value gap. I set the limit order. The limit order was triggered, and they did what? Started buying. You see, they retraced back into the fair value gap and did what? The news was around 8:30, if I'm correct. Yes, 8:30. So I took the first partial here. This was the first partial. the second partial, I was waiting for them to take this high, but I look at UK oil. This is US oil, which is basically the one I trade. The UK oil, they didn't take the high also, so I took another partial here. Majority of it, that's 29 plus, that's 49, and this was 49. So now I think I had more left. I took another 6 here. Now immediately the news started dropping. I still have more position open. I tried to close it. I'll upload the video. Like, I tried to close it. The market traded view, but on my live account I actually closed it already. But I left some, like I think 2 or 3 here left here. I tried to close the trade. Trading view was just opening more orders, and that's why I said next time PPI, CPI, and his brothers, that is the rest of them, that are like NFP, FOMC and co. I won't even involve myself. Like 5 minutes before, you see them closing the trade, I'm not even in it at all, because I don't like what happened. They kept on opening up trade for me, buy sell. I just have to take my time, like for like I think 2-3 minutes. That 2-3 minutes looked like 1 hour to me though, because it was too long and I was so mad. So they eventually closed it though, and I had some loss like that. I think like $100 or so, but it's actually not something like that. And they went back to actually take out the high. Can you see how manipulative the news was? And the rest of the video was just bunch of, but I was not even interested, because this actually got me mad, and I don't want to put the anger back. I don't want to go back into the market with the anger, and there was nothing even here for me to even say I want to trade. So just consolidating, and I don't trade outside once it's 12 o'clock. Sometimes even like this, after this I was actually off the mark chat. I closed my laptop and went to bed straight. So it was just later in the day I came back to check and stuff like that. So basically that's just all that happened. I did London and the rest of the week last week on Thursday, so that was just all for it. So we had, should I trade live here? I actually want to end the stream right now though. That's actually my plan, because that's what I actually want to talk about, and I want to keep it very short. Okay, my stuff is still showing, and I want to keep it very short. So let me see. Let's see. Should I I should just leave my laptop and close my chat now. Let's do that. Let's do that. My face. Where's my face? Yes. Let's do that. Once this low is been taken out, I'm done. I'm not even interested at all. Eventually, I will disconnect my phone from it, but my laptop will still be on. There's nothing to be scared of. Yeah, like, nobody can see my face right now, so let's just keep the stream going like that. Let's keep it going like that. Going like that, going like that. Going like that. Okay, can you hear me? Sorry. Sound is low. I'm talking though. Can you hear me now? Please, can you hear me? I didn't know someone is even watching right now. Can you? Yeah. Sir. Can you hear me, sir? Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Okay. Since nobody was watching, I was actually just thinking of just leaving the chat like that. But since someone is there, let's keep it moving. Would you like me to actually do actually basically I trade only US oil. I think if you have been following my channel and you're a subscriber, you should have noticed I actually like to trade only, like I only trade US oil. But I can actually, let's talk about, I actually look at gold this morning. So let's look at oh, it's been a long time I even checked it. There's something I noticed this morning. I noticed gold and oh sorry, they move like gold and Australian dollar USD. They move together. Australian USD, New Zealand USD, and which market is that? I think USD card. I just know, like I was just moving and I didn't really know what to do. I was just moving around today. If you notice, there's this feature on TradingView you can use when Australian USD actually made this Australian USD, that the one in pink, or sorry, in orange color, when it made a lower low, gold didn't make a lower low, right? So that's actually an SMT. And if you notice, Australian USD actually took out these lows, but gold didn't. That is, it was just a chasement what into this imbalance, right? So that's actually this is not within the scope of what I'm supposed to be talking about. But let's just talk about it since someone is here. So this is why I actually like trading though. The reason why I love trading is because you can explore a lot of market and you just have to choose the one that actually work out for you and stuff like that. I've seen a lot of ICT traders that are very, very good. Most of them actually have just one simple market. Like some are only trading S&P, some are trading Euro to USD. There was a point at the beginning of my own trading career too where I was like, I want to be everywhere. And the reason why is when I first go to Twitter, I see a lot of very, very good traders. And then today, okay, some will take trades on Euro to USD, some will take trades on S&P tomorrow. Like I was just like, am I missing? And because I'm very new, I was feeling like maybe I was not doing enough. Maybe I'm not trying to. A lot of pressure. Like it really affected me even this year. And there was a lot of goals I said like that I was unable to meet up with because of the pressure I placed on myself and so many other stuff like that. But it's all fine. Failure is a requirement for success. I think I'm better than I used to be now. There was a lot of setup if I was actually on Euro to USD. Like mostly I like trading London on US, so I'm very good at that. But when it comes to other markets, I really love to trade them during New York because I know most of their moves. If you check on Wednesday, the major move was what? During the New York session. On Thursday too, the major move was what? New York session. So most of the time, the major moves are always New York section like that. And you just have to understand what is going on in the market. The institutional order flow, market structure, daily bias, market daily profile, weekly profile. Those are the key major things. And the only PDR I love to use most, I don't really like using other block, is fair value gap. That's my favorite. Like that's my go-to. Like I don't miss it whenever I see it with my eyes. So just in case you are interested in trading gold, you can use this one in application, that is AUD, USD, and gold. They move like, you probably should call it in tandem. So once you see the SMT and you understand the daily profile, what has happened during London, which one is the high of the day, low of the day, imbalance, institutional order flow, and every other thing, where the liquidity is, where is price going to, how price is being delivered. Once you understand those things, I think it will really help a lot. Okay, yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, I will keep going. I really appreciate it. All start from a point now. Everybody, ICT and everyone, we all started from a point. So I believe the only place I'm going to is the top. Just take time. Thank you very much for the kind words. It really means a lot. And I'm still kind of very new, young to this, but I just have to face my fear and keep pushing every day for me to. I know, but I'm scared. I was scared. That's why I didn't start earlier. But now I'm here. and I'm doing it every day. And last week, if you actually was the first live session I did, I actually execute on live, and which most people can't do. I think the connection is now good now. So thank you very much for the kind words. I really appreciate. God bless. And thank you for turning on your notification and everything. I didn't want this to be more than 30 minutes or 20 minutes, like I said earlier, because I know most people don't have that long expansion rate when it comes to trade, when it comes to watching video. This is what I'm still looking at, and if it feel good, I will just wait in New York session and see whatever they want to do. This is what it takes. This is why trading is very boring. Just imagine you are sitting down for something that might fail eventually, but you are not going to even get yourself involved. You might even miss out at the at the end of the day. So trading is kind of very boring to me these days because I'm watching one market, and I noticed this when I was trading one market. Let me say this again: is because I found out that when I was trading two markets, it was not really easy for me, and then I was even still much more struggling as a trader. So because I was struggling as a trader, I didn't know what I was doing. There was a lot of pressure from trading, relationships, and so many other stuff like that were coming in and were affecting me big time. So I was like, too much pressure. Me trying to watch this market move. When I miss out on a move on it, and I didn't know what I was actually really doing like that. I didn't know. Okay, this thing will keep coming up every day. I don't have to be scared of missing out or whatever. You understand? So, but I know everything is development. Like I said, it really takes time, and I'm enjoying it right now, even though it's boring. But I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm very grateful I met ICT, and I'm just grateful for life, for my development and everything. I know there are more better days, more opportunities in the future than there were in the past. I just have to keep pushing and keep going, like you said in the comment section too. People have come to this view today, shall watch everything. Last time was very poor. Yes, I'm trying as much as possible to enjoy myself while trading because most time I'm just in my room alone. I hope the camera already, so it's kind of boring to me. Um, I don't have friends or anyone to, so I just sit down and just watch from morning till the end. I don't watch movies, except for me watching YouTube, ICT videos, some other guys on live, and just having fun basically. I don't know. This is how people sit down on live and watch other people too, like this, waiting for each candle to paint. Wow, that's beautiful. Those kind of people are those, except from those people that are looking for trade, for them to get signal. Because I started like that. Let me talk about that too. I started with me looking for trade. Let me see if this mic is sounding well. Okay. I started with I started with me trying to look for signal because I was very lazy. I wanted, but I was just, there was one thing ICT said. That's why I'm very glad I met ICT. He said, "How long will you keep relying on someone to give you signal? Just imagine." And there's one thing about when I was getting signals that I didn't even know I was in. I was too greedy. I was fearful. So when there's a signal right now, they say buy. When the person say okay, use 1%, I'll be like, if you know you are taking this thing, you that you're telling us to take 1%, probably at the end of the day will post him using maybe 5%, which I'll be like, next time, me I would use 10%. So it's very easy for me to actually blow account because I didn't even know what I was actually doing. So I was just like, there was a point that okay, God forbid bad thing though. But what if this person that is giving us signal, maybe anything happens to the person? Where will I continue to get money? Where will I continue to, And free, I won't say it was not money I really worked for, or if we make money, it was not money I really worked for. So once you get that kind of money, and as a young guy in his 19, 20, I'm just 20 now, I'll be 21 next March. The first thing that comes to your head is like, I've arrived. It's time for me to, ball, do whatever, party and stuff like that. As a young guy, this is the kind of mindset I had a few months back. So, but when you put in the real work yourself, when the money comes in or you get a little bit of success, I can't mess up or try to don't play it cool. You get what I'm trying to say. So that just is. I love to talk a lot. There are some things I would like to discuss here, but I can't because I don't have a big community yet. It's really necessary that I can do that, but it takes time. Yes, I will keep going. I'll keep going. I might end the live too soon. Very soon. Let me just sit back and watch. Probably should just let's trade. Okay, let's trade everything from beginning to the end. We can do this together. Let's do it. Let's do it together. I'm trying to get water. Let me see if you guys can see me. Let's trade everything from beginning to the end. Even though no one is watching. I know there will be a day. One day is coming. One day is coming. I will have 1,000 people watching me. I know. I know the reason why most people actually watch others is because let me see. Is either they've had a big platform like ICT now. If it was ICT that is actually live now, I know it is over 3,000, 4,000 people, 5,000, and yes, he worked that for it, so he deserves it. And some other streamers too like that. They have big platform. Most people are either there for. I don't like watching live, so if no one is actually watching me, I won't be mad at that because I believe I don't want to try to take the trade they're taking or me trying to copy what they are doing. I don't even have interest in doing that. Like I've grown above that right now. Is it that maybe when I see it, he says some words and I love listening to him. I can listen to him all day, all night. Yeah, that's just Sisha. That's just it. And I feel like maybe some people that don't know how to trade and is looking for someone to take trades and stuff like that. Imagine maybe I post my thumbnail. I'm sorry the way I'm talking. I'm just having fun, like I said. My thumbnail is I turned $3,000 to $300,000 or $3 million. I'm telling you, I'll even do this maybe next year. Just to, let me see, just the bow, even though I don't like it. Like just for the record's sake, I'm telling you, over 1,000 people will be here. Or maybe I say me trading my forex fund, forex what do you call it? This what's the name of all this broadcast stuff? All this pro frame stuff. Now I'm trading this live. I'm trading maybe 100k, 300k stuff, which I will never do. I can only show them here. And since there's rules and regulation, I can be doing it too, but like I can never. It's not stuff like that. But I'm not into that. I'm not really into that. If people watch me, good and fine. I give glory to God. But I know it takes time. I'm just 600k subscribers, so people barely know me. Not even my family member knows I have a channel. Hopefully, I'm not sounding rude, but I'm just trying to be realistic with myself and my growth. I don't believe this trade will pan out anymore. These are the things. I don't believe in it. So we might just end. If they take this way, I'm not interested. I'll just wait till New York session. I don't want to save the energy and to save people's time. You know what? Let's just end it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for coming. God bless. I really appreciate people that have come and go. It means a lot. Thank you very much. Love you. Probably the next one will be this weekend. Probably the last one for the year. And I'll see you guys next year. Probably January 2nd week or so. I will talk about that in. I don't know. I'll make the decision about, but I'll be taking a break, like a week of everything, and just how myself appreciate myself and enjoy myself. So until I talk to you guys next time, I wish you good luck and happy trading.